I'm only going to be using Frizz Dismiss on one side of my hair so you can see how smooth it gets compared to the other side of my hair. Hello everyone, I'm Karla Valenzuela and I am partnering up with Hair.com to show you all of my favorite products for frizz control. My hair is very dry, frizzy, and wavy, so my favorite shampoo to use is Redken Frizz Dismiss. This shampoo has babasu oil, which really helps moisturize my hair and smooth it down. I love using this shampoo because it really keeps my hair from getting frizzy during humid weather. It is very rich and it smells amazing. Next, I'm going to be using Redken Frizz Dismiss conditioner. This conditioner is super rich and creamy. I love how it feels on my hair because I can really tell that it's moisturizing. I'm only going to be using Frizz Dismiss on one side of my hair so you can see how smooth it gets compared to not using Frizz Dismiss on the other side of my hair. Now that my hair is washed, I'm going to apply Redken's Tame leave-in cream. This cream is going to help fight frizz and it has heat protection for up to 450 degrees. A little bit goes a long way, so I'm only going to use it on my ends throughout my mid-ends. And you want to apply this on damp hair. This is going to be great for the frizziest kind of hair. I'm also going to apply a little bit of my Frizz Dismiss Instant Deflate Serum. You want to use it mostly throughout your ends and mid-ends. I love this product because it really helps fight humidity and it gives you up to 24 hours of humidity control. So it's really good to avoid that poofy frizzy hair. And then now I'm going to blow dry my hair. All on this side is where I have Frizz Dismiss shampoo and conditioner along with the styling products I just showed you. And then after that is blown out, I'm going to show you the other side that does not have Frizz Dismiss on it. So now that my hair is completely blown out, you can really see the difference of using Frizz Dismiss compared to not using Frizz Dismiss. You can see that there's still a lot of texture on this side. It's way more poofier than my other side. And you can especially see the texture around my hairline because my hairline is where I have the curliest hair. I love it so much. I love that it feels silky and soft and the added shine I'm seeing on my hair compared to the other side. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for any frizz fighting friends out there. And if you want more hot tips, follow me at Color Me Karla and don't forget to subscribe to Hair.com.